Welcome to CVA War Trading Room. أهلا بيك في War Trading Room. Today is Friday, September the 9th, 999. I like the 99. Okay. I like it. And let's see, it's Friday. We have 4 minutes until the crude oil open at 9 a.m. Let's see what's going to happen. I took already a trade breaking the 85.26 at almost 8:45, and it's doing nice now. So the trade I took is we're breaking the 85.26, which is here. Oh, I'm trading the what's that, man? One second. This is the RTY. What's going on? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What's going on here? What is the freaking code? You know what? There we go. Because I did a lot of trade today. So the 85. We have 3 minutes. I have 3 minutes. I don't see any support here. I don't know why this drawing this red line, but I don't see any support here, any resistance. So I see only one here, like maybe at 86.07. That's even this one is not good. It's already breaking. I have no ceiling. So we hope to break this line. And we have almost 2 minutes. All the market pushing have all the markets. I will start the naked chart course or Slack community maybe next week. So I will teach you the way I'm trading the market. Pure price action with order flow. You guys can hear me. You guys can hear me. Do you guys can hear me? Yes, Mahmoud good. I don't know what's going on, but let's trade now, buddy. Let's trade. It's no time for troubleshooting, right? We have less than 30 seconds. We have less than 30 seconds. 15 seconds. And we are on already 9 a.m. Let's see. We are already 9 a.m. And let's see, long now. We are long now. Move your stop now. All your contract to be at 85.88. 85.88. All your contract. 85.88. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. I hate this hesitation. I hate it. I hate it. I hate this hesitation, man. You shitting me? Are you shitting me now, right? What's going on here? I don't see any resistance here. What's going on? What's the situation here? What is the situation here? Guys, move your contract break even. I don't like it. I don't like it. Move your contract break even. I see a lot of hesitation here. I don't know what's going on. Just hit it, man. What's going on? Something weird here. Yeah, I see this hesitation. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Two minutes. Pre-market move big time, but I don't know what's going on here. Mm. There is a short coming. There is a short coming. I will take the short on two contracts only. 1 second. I will add my sell stop limit. Actually, you know what? No, I don't like this short. I don't like it. Momentum is up. I see that the 30-minute chart is up. I see the daily chart is up. Everything is up. So I will not take it. Not gonna risk it anymore. Maybe like we make like half quarter from point from this trade. We missed this big move because it happened at 850. At 850, yeah. And I realized, by the way, crude oil start moving from 850, not 9. Sometimes I have a nice move at 9, but market starts moving at 850. So I might thinking to take a trade at 850. Like we missed this trade today. If you take 850, would be long, would be up almost like how many points? 7 points. I think it's 850 trade. There is a possible, it's not now, it's breakout at 87 point or 80 actually. 1 second. 87, yeah, 87. No, not 87. No, Yeah, 87.97. Just watch this line, even after the trading room, if we trade crude oil. This line here, 87.97. Watch it, and the market most likely, if you push high, will break this line. So if we reach this line, add your buy stop limit above it 2 ticks, and add your stop loss 2 ticks below the last bar below the line. And we can make it 2 to 1, or we can trail the stop below each bar. So watch this, 87.7, 87. Sorry, yeah, 87.79. Watch it. Might hit it now, maybe later, maybe when the stock market open. I don't know. But it's potential long for crude oil. I will trade 2 contracts long again. If the market continue higher, because I can't see any resistance at all. I don't know why market hesitation. There's nothing here. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. I can see there is resistance at 87.7, 86.17. 86.17. That's why market hesitate at this 87, 86.17. Got it now. 86.17. Here, right there. That's why market is playing here. So I'm gonna add buy stop limit now. 2 contracts, just 2 contracts. To be at 88.38. 88.38. And we are in trade. Well, let's see. Keep your stop to be at 85.57, 0.67. 85.67. Crude oil so choppy today. We had a nice runner since we start crude oil every single day. Still holding this position. On 866.8. Still waiting. Crude oil acting so weird. We have 15 minutes until the open. We'll trade R2I. R2I is up almost 1% today. And there is what the line 186.6.8 measures resistance. 186.6.8. If we break it open, we can have a nice run on the upside. If we break this 186.8, we'll have a nice run. Nice run if you break it. Seems like this is a losing trade. Crude oil. Market pivot. 13 minutes now until the open. I just want to show you the big picture I'm watching now in the 2-minute chart. 1 second. This is a 2-minute chart. So look at this. This is the resistance happening here. If you guys can see this, this is called the tap. So the market tapping the stop loss or the trap. You can name it tap, trap, doesn't matter. And performing a hammer. There is a chance for short, by the way. If they stopped out, if it stopped out and this candle finished as hammer, there's a chance to go short right away. Because that means the market is trapping the stop losses, give me the hammer, and this lack of buyers. So if this candle continue as hammer and stop us out, this is 2-minute chart. I'm sorry, this is 30-minute chart. So the 2-minute chart. Yeah. So if this 30-minute candle continue, this 30-minute chart. If this continue as hammer at 30-minute chart, R2 will be short for the next like maybe hour or two. It will be going down. As 2 minutes, same line, but because we have a picture of 30 minutes, that's why you have to look at. To be honest, I didn't look at the 30-minute chart when I take the trade. If I look at it, I will not go long at all. Until at least this candle, 2 minutes candle, pass this line. Let's see. Market pivot again. Market pivot again. We have here micro trend line. It's called micro trend line because the line is the trend is up, and we have something called micro trend line, which is micro short line. So if you break this line here, micro trend line, we'll go long. I'm not going to call it anymore, but I'm just let you know if you wanna look at the crude oil. So the market break this line here, a micro short, because the whole trend is up since morning. So this is a micro short trend. If we break it here, we can add buy stop limit there, here, and we take profit until this here, till there's the next resistance. And we stopped out crude oil. This is our first losing trade since we trade crude oil. You guys see that? This is our first losing trade crude oil. First. And I see a hammer performing in a 2-minute chart. Look at this. I'll show you that. Here we go. This one here. When you see this, should shorting will be the next bar. So we should be going short now, but I will not go because I already trade on the trade. But this, look at this. This is hammer. Look at this. What's happening now? Ooh, this is a tab or trap. Look at this. What's happening now? So crude oil most likely will move until this next support here. 5 points. If you guys want to take the short, take it. I will not take it. But it's too late now. We should take it after the hammer. But most likely the market will move until this next 85.26. Most likely. That's it, crude oil. That's it. It's our first crude oil losing trade since we start trading crude. We're not gonna have winning trades all the time. Should have losing a little trade. That's normal. All right, so let's see R2I. By the way, when I start trading the December contract on Monday, we will trade today the normal September, and start from Monday we'll trade the December contract. No, sorry. 1866.8. This line here, this is the major resistance. 1866.8. If you break it, you're gonna have a nice long. We have 5 minutes almost. One 1872. 1872. And we have 1879. Watch this two. I sent yesterday the 1879 and 1872. Watch them when you drink crude, when you drink RTY. Market will react to these two lines big time. Big time. Especially the 1879. Most likely the market will reverse at this line because I see market tested one time. I will show you what I mean by this. I'll explain this in the course, but I will show you what I mean. This is 30-minute chart. Okay, that's the chart I'm giving you the pivots every day. So this is the 1879 I'm talking about. Okay. So now this is the resistance. So in order to break the resistance, we should have at least 2 pivots trying to break it and fail. 2. And this is not 2. If you see this, this is not 2. I can see this as a pivot. It's just, pivot means market tested, failed, pull back, tested, failed. Then the third time most likely will break. So this is most likely market will reverse. Like 60% will reverse. Okay. But this line, no, because this line is already break once, come, tested, again, rejected. So there's a chance to break this line, which is the 1872. Right? We have 2 minutes. Almost 1 minute. Almost 1 minute. 30 seconds. We have 3 seconds. And let's see. Market open. Very choppy open. I like to go long, but let's see. There is a short here, but I will not take it. I don't like it. Market testing the VWAP. So I don't like it. I don't like to take the short. There's a chance for go long. There is a chance for go long. And I'm going to add my buy stop limit now to be at 1863.4. 1863.4, my buy stop limit. 1863.4. And we are in the trade. Keep your stop now at 1858.4 around this area. Till we move your first contract only to be at 1860.8. 1860.8. First 119 takes a break even hit. Nice, first target hit. Now keep trailing 40 ticks. I told you if the market moves, it will move. The market move, it will move. Now, I'm going to add my second contract now to be at 1864.8. This is the one I'm playing at 30, nice move, man. Nice. We should have a nice home run today. I hope so. It's right. So 44 ticks. So I'm going to adjust the second contract stop loss to be at 1863.9. And there's a chance for above contract. Let's see. The tight stop contract hit now. I'm second contract now at 1863.9. 1863.9. This is going to be my last trade today. Market's choppy, so I'm not trading anymore. There is a chance. Oh, 1 second. There's a chance for short. And I will go short now, but I will take it on 7. So I'm short now. I'm short now. I'm trading one contract. So it should be 2 contracts. I know what's going on here. I think this is none. Like, this is why I take it on 7. Exit short. Exit. Let's see. So the first long trade, I make almost 2.4 and 2.45, 6 points, almost 7 points in the first trade. How many points you guys made? How many points you guys made? This choppy trade. This is very choppy trade. I will trade the 945, by the way. I have a small win, so I will trade 945. And I would like the 945 to be long, by the way. I would like the 945 to be long. Most likely, when you have a choppy open like this, we have a nice 945. Let's see. But I will not take short 945. No, 945. I will take it only long. How many points you guys made? What do we have here? Crude oil, 2 minutes. Oh, guys, I want to show you something. What I told you about crude oil. You see that? Do you see that? By the tick. By the tick. See? I draw this line here. Look what happened now. By the tick. Because of this. Because of this motherfucker here. This hammer, fat. When you see this hammer, I will show in a course you this is a very, very, very profitable strategy. When you see this hammer on this performing a support resistance, you short immediately or you long immediately. Don't think. Don't think. It will boom, snap. Take this and you target next support resistance. That's it. Or you trade or stop at the low high or but for this you can just add your profit here and that's it. I didn't take it because I was focusing on R2I, but we will take this kind of trade the whole day after when I'm done the course. Same today? Oh, okay. You don't like to trade Friday? I made 5 points today. It's nice, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I take some trades pre-market sometimes when I see the like any major support resistance will most likely break or any micro trend or some stuff like that. Sometimes I take trade and I leave it overnight. I wake up in the morning, I have some profit. Add and ticks are opposites, are going down, so confusing for me. What do you mean add? What add? What is that? Oh, ADD. Oh yeah, ADD. To be honest, man, I'm just not confusing myself. You know, I know you're watching this guy. Man, this is confusing. I'm not gonna watch like a million short advanced ratio and tick ratio and fear ratio and fear index and oh my god, you are day trading. You know what I mean? If you're swing holding positioning, but for me trading, you don't need to do shit. You don't need it. Just watch your chart. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Oh, you see, guys, this is RTY. This is a micro trend breakout. Look at this. This one strategy I will teach you to. This is a micro trend breakout. Look what happened. Should do you buy stop limit here? Because the main trend is up, and you break that. It's a micro short trend. So once you break this micro trend, it should be spun up. This is one of strategy I'll teach you to this micro trend. We have 2 minutes, 9:45. We have 2 minutes. Actually, no, 1 minute. 3 minutes, 1 minute. Market is reacting now at 1870. Market is reacting now at the 1870 pivot line. We have less than 30, almost 30 seconds. We have 30 seconds to go. $15 seconds. 8 seconds. If I got a short signal, I will take it. Period. Period. I got a short signal. Got a short signal. Might work. Might work. But I don't like it. Might have a long signal. And we're long. We are long. My stop is going to be at 1864.2. 1864.2. What a choppy day today. Buddy, add all your stop breaking. Add all of them breaking. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Not trading anymore. Today is so choppy. So choppy for me. So choppy, to be honest. You know? Might go long again, but you know, I'm not gonna risk $600 for this chop shit, man. Look at this. So let's see 10 a.m. No, last chance. Let's see 10 a.m. Look at this. Look at this crap. Let's look at 10 a.m. This is our last trade. In the meantime, if you have any trade, I will let you know. 1 second. For me, to be honest, when I take a trade, I like to market to move like that. When I see hesitation back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, no. 10 a.m. You guys exit this trade? Yeah. I'm green today, but because my max loss is $1,000, so I will keep trading. I told you I'm changing my strategy this month, which is the whole until Christmas, to be Q1 around the $1,000. So if I'm green like $100, then I'll keep trading. Because I'm not gonna make $100. What if I make like 4 days in a row $100 and one day I have a max loss $1,000? No, it doesn't make sense. So I have to keep trading until I reach around $100. Maybe like if I reach like 600, 700, I'll stop. Make sense? So it's a crude oil. The micro trend crude oil is working beautifully. And we have another micro trend R2I, but I didn't take it. This one. It was long. See, the main trend is long. And we have this small micro trend. Should add you by stop level here and take the profit there. Nine minutes until 10 a.m. Hopefully you have a nice repeat what? Repeat what? So yeah, the micro trend. Micro trend is when you have a like uptrend like this, uptrend, you take that same trend up long trade, but if this is the micro trend, this is short trend micro, which means micro. The main trend is up, but we have a short micro. So we take the break of the short micro trend, you put your stop below the last bar, and then you can trail your stop, your target, or make it 2 to 1, whatever you want. This is the like 90% high probability trade because it's with the main trend. Main trend is up, so we're taking the main trend, but when the market taking breath or pull back, performing this micro trend, you take that same direction and put your stop below the last bar, below the or above the trend line. Profit or loss? I said there's a lot of options. You can have make it 2 to 1. Like if you lost, like if your stop loss below the last bar or above it is like 10 ticks, make your profit 20. Or you can trail your stop below the last bar, below each bar. That's it. There's 2 options. And I like the second one more because you might catch a victory. I like trailing more than fixed target. And I have a feeling we will have a nice 10 a.m. trades. Anyone know why? Anybody know why? But let's hope the market will still consolidate until 10 a.m. Let's hope for that. So hope the market will consolidate until 10 a.m. And like I said, if I didn't have any nice trade 10 a.m., I will not take it. Yes, I'm up $100. It's not good, you know what I mean? But it's still green. No complaining. It's Friday, so get ready for the fun stuff. Market consolidate, exactly. I will teach you in a course. The market is 3 phases: uptrend, downtrend, consolidate. Uptrend, downtrend, consolidate. So this is the consolidation phase, right? Market was uptrend, consolidate big. This that. And by the way, there's a micro consolidation and there's minor consolidation. So this is the minor. This is a micro. Consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. I want the market to break this one, this line here. The market break it, we will have a nice long trade, a nice long trade, maybe a home run. I don't know, but would be nice. Let's see. If you know, by the way, if you know how to read the price action, if you know how to read the price action, you don't need any indicators. Maybe you need maybe look at any momentum isolated or something. But you know, if you know how to read the market price action, you make a lot of money with any market, any market, stocks, futures, options, or forex. It's all the same. We have 5 minutes. We have the whole line 1880. 1880, yeah. On RTY. Watch the 1880 on RTY. Yeah. So if we take a long trade, what is the 1180? I think I already added. Nope. This motherfucker right here. We reach here. This is big chance market gonna bounce. Big chance. This line. So we have an if we enter long here, we still have room for nice 10 points. Right? So that's it. So if you get a long, this is our plan. If you get a long, you reach this here, and we'll try to stop as much as we can because there's a big chance market gonna bounce back because in the 30-minute chart, if you see this 1880 line, I will show you. This 1880. This one here, a 30-minute chart. This is a 30-minute chart. So each bar is 30 minutes. If you see, so scroll back, you will see the market tested one time. And this is not a good thing for breakouts. Breakout, you have to be tested twice with pivots. Twice. This is tested one time. So more than 65% market will bounce. See, glad we exit this motherfucking 945 because the market will stop us out, continue up. We had max loss today. If we hit this, we had max loss. We'll have max loss if we didn't exit early. How many minutes we have? Oh, we have almost 1 minute, man. Oh, we have talking forgot. We have 11, 12 seconds. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. $15 seconds. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Stenium. Let's see. And we're long. We are long now. We are long now. So keep your stop at 1869.1. 1869.1. Gonna be your stop. $19 to break even. Move your stop a little bit lower for the second one at 1837.1, and all your contract now is going to be at 1871.6. Second contract 187.6, and the last one, or the first one, 1837.1. 1837.1. First contract hit, nice trade, nice, beautiful. Trailing. So we have now moved almost 27 ticks from the entry. Still have a chance. I take some profit here. I'm gonna add the second contract here to be the last one, the one I'm tiding at 1874.9. So take some profit in a row. The market bounce back, not bad. 184.9, and the second last one gonna be at 1872.5. Market pivot, didn't touch my stop, hopefully. When I see hesitation, I just add my stop. That's why I have this third one. The third one is like, take profit to go. Take some on the table because I don't like market to get profit. So market is moving, man. So I'm gonna move my stop a little bit lower than this, 4 ticks lower than this. I'm not gonna adjust any the 10% yet. I'm not gonna adjust the 10% yet. Still 33 ticks. Anyone take this trade live? Anyone? Yes, please. Sim? Why are you taking on Sim, buddy? Why, buddy? Why? Why are you taking on Sim? Told you, market consolidate. This is nice. It should be a nice 10 a.m. trade. There's a market hesitation here. There's a market hesitation. I'm gonna keep my stop at the same, to be honest. 1872.7. That's the last one. I'm already in profit, so my last contract will be 187.3.0. Nice, market is moving, man. Market is moving. And market now is almost 40 ticks. Nice. Market now is almost 40 ticks. I'm gonna I'm not gonna use now the wide stop because of this one motherfucker 1880. So when the market reach the 1810, I'm gonna move this so tight. So tight. So I want to take this profit until there. Until there. I will take this all. I want to take this all profit for this contract if I can. And this trail this one if the market break it. Because if the market break 1880, you will see bounce back like crazy. But I don't think so. I don't think so. You will see. I'm gonna move the second contract now to be at 1874.7. Nice move, man. Nice move. Get to 1880. It will go to 1880. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Now I'm tiding this shit. I'm tiding. 1877.0. That when I'm trading, I'm tiding this shit. I'm tiding because the market will bounce back most likely here. So I want to take profit. I don't want to give it profit. I'm tiding this shit. I'm tiding 1877.8. I'm tiding. If I see the market, listen, when the market see big resistance or support, two things will happen. Slap up, break it immediately. If the market didn't break it immediately, you will see two things: bounce back, or you see this trap happening, which is I showed you in the RTY before, like this hammer. This is the time to go short. Don't think about it. Or consolidation. Boom, 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 boom. Tie this shit up. 1873.8, 187.3, 187.3. Tie it. Market move almost 6 points now. See, before the 10 a.m., I told you what can happen exactly. And this is what happened. This is for one reason, because the market always repeats itself. Always. Because human behavior all the same. 1873. I'm not gonna add any contracts now, ever. Not now. Maybe if the market break it, go like maybe like 2-3 points, pull back, then I can. Then I can. Tied the shit, tied it. 1876.6, my stop. I'm just looking now at the 2-minute chart. If I see any hammer, I don't see any hammer. The market is moving nice, man. Market is moving nice. Gonna keep my stop at the same because the market most likely will little bit bounce back, and then if the market will, maybe bounce back like maybe a couple of ticks and then continue up. So I'm gonna keep my stop at 1876.6. I don't see any hammer now. If I see hammer, I will exit the freaking trade. I will add no hammers. Nice. Still not yet. Try to stop 187. No, 1 second. 1878.9. 1878.9. I see hammer. 1 second, not yet. If I see hammer, I will add the second one here. Not yet. I'm waiting the 2-minute short to complete. Still didn't complete yet. No, it's not hammer. It's not hammer. Try to stop 1877.8, and that's it. That's it. Might market continue up, but I'm done. I am done. I make $700 today. No, that's my goal. I'm Q1 now. That's my goal. If a max loss grand and I make $700 a day, around 100, maybe this is the minimum I make. So sometimes 2,000, 1,500, 2,000, and one day I lost 1,000 once. Let's say once every 2 weeks. That's just a lot of money. How many points you guys made today? How many points you guys made today? And by the way, I didn't see hammer on the 2-minute chart. I will show you. I didn't see hammer, but I exit because of this motherfucker. Because of this bar. Because of this bar. I didn't like it. That means is a lot of sellers come, pushing sellers, push. I don't like it. So if I am can take profit, why not? I was waiting to any bar close after this 2-minute bar, to any bar close above this high. Didn't happen. That's why I exit. That's why I exit immediately. How many points you guys made today? Tim? Yeah, I know you said. Who else makes some profit? It was a nice day. Yeah, choppy trade at the open, but we manage it very well, to be honest. We manage it in the morning now very well. We didn't, if you guys see, our first trade was short, I didn't take it. So the second trade was long, I take it, and was small profit. And then the 945 first trade, I didn't take it. We take it, and we exit early before we hit our stop, break even, and then we take the nice 10 AM trade. So it was a nice day. We handled it so well. I'm so proud today. And for me, when I evaluate my trading day, I don't do it by money. I do it by how I follow my rules. And I did follow my rules, like almost 99%, which is nice. I like Friday like this. Let's see what can happen. Move. See, still have some time. Let's see. I want to show you something. Any breakouts here coming? Nope. So, you guys remember this breakout? I had some more thing. Remember this breakout strategy? Right. This is what I add to it, make it like almost 99% accuracy. I'm not joking, 99%. When you see this, see the curve, retail, down, conservative sell. Okay? Because the market always have two faces. This is the zero line, this is the value area, this is the retail area. Value area means the price is cheaper, so there's time to buy. Retail area price is high, it's time to sell. Like anything. If you're gonna buy iPhone, you're gonna buy cheap, right? You're not gonna buy iPhone expensive. Market makers, when they wanna buy the market, they push the market down and then they buy here. You wanna buy the stuff cheap. So let's say this is green now. This is green, right? I'm not gonna go buy now or add this or go long when I see breakouts. No, I will wait until everything tell me here now, green, curve, value, you will see everything green here. Structure up, and you see conservative buy. Then I will go long. I will add my long. If I get a signal, this is 99% accuracy. It happens very, like maybe 2-3 times a day, but when it happens, like I said, it's 99% accuracy. Keep watching it. We have 1 minute until we're done today. Are you going to trade at night? Nobody. No trade 3:30. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm gonna do something else at 3. Friday. So I'm gonna trade at 3. No, I'm tired. Last week I've been working from 8 a.m. until midnight every single day. Without stop. So it's time for me to guys watch some Netflix and chill. I'll keep trade open for a bit to get another signal. And I see the market is trying to break this area again. Just 1 second. Might try to break it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Get a nice move upside. RTY, let's see the cruise or ES. You guys, the ES trade I gave it to you last night, it's almost 157 ticks of profit. Look at the Slack, the trade I gave you last night. It's almost $2,000 per contract profit. I told you to go long when you break the 4037. Yes, here. Here. This was my signal at 4037. Break the 4037. I told this trade last night, but I exit early, so my bad. But this was a nice trade, almost $2,000 the contract. E-mini. It was nice trade. So let's see. Yes, here we have no resistance. 3-minute chart here. We have the next resistance at 4090, 4090.75. This is the next resistance. And We already break this. See, I want to show you something. One second, what happened here? When you see this resistance, right? What is that? I'm going to show you something very quick. Look at this. If you are in the market here now, and you see this shit happening, once bounce, pivot, once rejected, 60, more than 80% market will break. What are you going to do? The next time you see this happening, but you have to have the like if you look at this here now, look at this. You have to have a momentum on your side. Or if you don't have any momentum, as you later can see, you see the breaking, you know, it's very solid green up. Second one, no problem. And the third one, look at this. Look at the momentum here, green. First line is up, everything is good. You're gonna buy the stop limit immediately. And your stop gonna be there below this line. And you can add your profit target 2 to 1. So let's say if you add this, if you stop gonna be there, it's gonna be 30 ticks. So your target should be 60 ticks. Which is already should be still in progress. Or around this area. Yeah. Around this area. And it should be break even now. You know, if you market move all this way, you should be at break. It's a very nice setup. Very nice. And one more setup. Yes, happened to micro trend. Look at this. Market's trending up. We have this micro trend. When you see this happening, we should buy stop limit. Yes, it did bounce back, but when you buy stop limit here, you add your stop there. If you see market move like this, you add your break even. Or if you want to be more conservative, you can add a stop at the last bar here. I like it to be tight. Good thing about this strategy is even this or this, the tight stop. Very tight. Because if this bar is like very small, you can add a stop here. And then let it run. Let's see if you have any. We have the next resistance for 4090.75, and this one I don't like it. Anyone know why I don't like it? Anyone know why I don't like this? One second, there's another one here. Even this one. Anyone know I don't like why I don't like 4090? You guys pay attention. Because there's no pivot. Market is like dancing. I want to see pivot. I want to see like this. Like this. This I want to see. This is not pivot. This is just dancing. Same was with RTY. 30 minutes. This line here. And by the way, the market now is going down, RTY. You guys see that? See? Told you most likely the market will react on this negatively because the market touched it once. Once. So when the market touched I told you before that, the more support resistant tested, the more get weaker. The more tested, the more get weaker. So if the support resistance tested once, big chance will bounce back again. So you can go short, but I don't like go short support resistance at all. And I will teach you how to trade also in the course, how to teach you the trap like this. Go short here, stop here, make some profit. And there is something called pull flag, bear flag, a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff. Go short where? No, too late. You go short here, buddy. Here, right there. Not now. Too late. And by the way, for the folks are not from Egypt. Are you guys in our Slack community or no? Because I'm sending a lot of stuff. So can you send me an email, please? Can you type your name in email so I can add you in Slack? If anyone want to join our Slack community, it's with your membership. Just send an email, I will send you an invitation. Type your email here. I will send you an invitation right now. Okay. Anyone else? But your email address. Okay. And this Slack is not only for futures, by the way. It's for futures, for Forex, for stocks, for drop shipping, digital marketing, Amazon FBA. You will see a lot of good stuff. You'll love it. It's including with your membership. See what happened there. See that. And do we have anything here? No. This, when you see green, buy. When you see signal. Red, sell. That's it. That's why when it happens sometimes me once or twice a day. When I see this, I trade for 5 contracts. That's it. This is like 95% accuracy. I'm not joking. One else. All right. So ES is trying to going toward the 409075. Anyone here trading the Europe session? Anyone? RQIB2. So Basim, how many points you made today or didn't trade? I see you with us to the trading room today. Welcome, bro. Basim here is my brother. He's not my brother, but he's like that. Do you have any? Do you trade today? I think this is your first trading day, first day with us. I think Basim cannot hear me yet. Oh. There's ES long here. So you get a signal ES long, but oh, look at this, guys. This is what I'm talking about. See, this is signal long. This arrow here, right? Yes. And if you guys remember, when I take this, it's a 0.5 to 1 risk ratio. So when I add my when I enter long here, I put my stop below the last pivot, which is here. But yes, it is green. Structure is up, but we are in retail. Retail means it's overpriced. Yes, it might work fine, no problem, but not like, let's say 60%. I want 90% accuracy. 90% accuracy. When I see all this happen here, in a value. Structure is up and green and its value. Then 90% market will go in your favor. 90%. And by the way, this trade should be working. It should be, you see now it's almost 25 ticks, and our stop should be here, very low, very low. Our stop should be there, like 13 ticks. Should be, this trade should be already in profit. Your stop should be, your profit should be like 6 ticks or something. Should be already hit your profit target. But like I said, the other one, you can trade 5 E-minis and you'll be very comfortable. Right, let's keep looking at RTY here. Like 2 minutes. Oh, look at this, guys. In RTY now, I got a shooting star. And the freaking 1880. Look at that. Look at this one here. Look at this bar here. When I was talking, I missed it. This one, the shooting star. Yeah. This is the blind short. So when you see the shooting star touching the support resistance, you short the next bar below it. Short here, you took profit here. That's it. Or you trade, whatever. All right, that's it, guys. See you on Monday at 8:50 in the morning. Actually, let's make it 8:45. So we might trade RTY maybe 10 minutes late earlier, because I see the market always move at 8:50. So yeah, we can try to trade 8:50 before 9. So 8:45 or maybe 8:40. 8:40 would be nice. Next Monday. Okay. See you all. Enjoy your weekend. See you.